Hey Gator families, it's me, Miss Simmons, your art teacher. Tonight for back to school night, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you see the instructions in our canvas and where you go to upload your artwork if you're in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, or 5th grade so that you can earn your art grade when you're working from home. I'm also going to show you my YouTube channel so that you can see those videos anytime you want from home to recreate lessons. I'm going to choose 1st grade. But if you're looking at your child's Canvas page, it might have any one of these pictures. But I'm going to start with 1st grade. All of my home pages are the same. So when you open up the home page in Canvas, it's going to have all these little paint splats with each week's instructions. If you click on your art course and it doesn't show the home page, the button is usually right up here at the top left. I'm going to switch to student view so that mine looks like yours will when you're clicking through it. Now, if I come down here and I'm going to click on week 6, that's last week for us, it's going to show our objective, what we're going to do, and any videos that I would be showing in our regular classroom. This week, 1st grade's learning about the rainbow, so there's a science video on the color spectrum, and then a fun song to help us remember the order of the rainbow. Then I'll have our supplies listed and a video showing step-by-step how to complete the project. When you finished your project, you click this link at the very bottom where it says Assignment Link. Take a picture of your artwork, save it to your computer or phone, click that assignment link, and then you have a space to upload. Now I'm making my video before the assignment is open, so I can't pretend to upload anything, but if the assignment was open, there would be a little box right here for me to click and attach a file, and then you just hit submit and it sends your artwork right to me so that I can grade it. Every time I grade your artwork, I love to leave you feedback and comments, so check back for those after you've turned something in. If you're ever working from home and you really just want to create and have fun, on the home page, all the way down at the bottom, I have an Art Links section. And this is on every grade level. I have an Art Links section down here that shows you printable activities and online activities. So this first one is videos. The kids love these. They're step-by-step drawing videos. There's drawing sheets you can print, coloring pages, online coloring pages, online drawing, online art games. And then the very last one is a link to my YouTube channel, Mrs.ArtTeacherLady. And if you click that, you'll be able to see all the videos for all the different projects we're doing in class. I hope you have a great afternoon with our back to school night and all your other classes. Have a great Gator day.